Okay, question number 6. The function of f defined as follows. Fx is square root of x times sine of x squared, where the domain is restricted from 0 to pi. So you can see that at 0, this term becomes 0, so we put 0, comma 0. At pi, this term pi square root of pi, square is pi, sine pi is 0, so it goes like this. So the function shape like this kind of shape. Consider the shape of region R enclosed by the graph of f and the x-axis, graph of f and the x-axis, and the line x equals square root pi over 2, this line, shown in the following diagram. So region is over here. The shaded region R is located about 2 pi radians about x-axis, so we rotate like this kind of way to form a solid, show that the volume is like this. So they rotate this kind of volume of this thing through x-axis, so it should be look like this kind of shape. And then we can use disk method, right? So we can define a disk over here which looks like this. So we can define a volume of a disk is defined by pi r square times dx. So this times pi r radius is from the center to over here is equal to y value. So pi y squared d of x dx. So the volume of disk, total volume is equal from x is integrated from 0 to until of this value, square root of pi over 2 pi r square is y square. Y square is this thing squared is becomes square root of x plus sine of x squared. So x sine x squared, x sine x squared of a dx. We can calculate this is volume of rotation of a solid rotation, right? So all we can do is integrate this one. So you can see over here it's x squared over here. That's x here. So if you differentiate x squared, you get the shape of x. So this is typical format for u sub. So let u equals x squared. We can get du is 2x dx. So all we need is 2x dx. So we can put 2 over here and put 1 over 2 over here. This is still same equation by doing this. So this one equals, so get the pi in front, so 1 over 2 pi integral. When x is equal to 0, u becomes 0. When x equals square root of pi over 2, square is pi over 4, right? Pi over 4. So 2x dx sine x squared is becomes sine of u. 2x dx becomes du. Okay, pi over 2. Integrating sine u becomes negative cosine u, but we can make it positive and change the limit, change the range the upside down, so it becomes 4 pi over 4, and this one becomes 0. So pi over 2 cosine 0 is 1 minus cosine of pi over 4 is square root 2 over 2. Is it the same? Oh, so this pi over 2 making denominator 2 together becomes 2 minus square root of 2. This one becomes pi times 2 becomes 4, 2 minus square root of 2. So this is exactly same as this expression over here.